Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today, we're going to break down XRP's explosive 500% rally that we just went through and whether it's a better time to buy Bitcoin right now, right? Now, with the US government shifting towards pro-crypto policies, XRP is gaining a lot of momentum. But does that mean that we should ditch Bitcoin? Let's dive into that today and what's driving XRP's price and whether it belongs in our long-term portfolio or not. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you stay till the end because we've got some sexy stats that we found today. So let's break it down. Okay, XRP's price action and market sentiment. Right now, XRP is trading at around $2.50 and it's up about 1% within the last 24 hours. And this is what the chart is looking like. We're roughly in this area. This was a big zone here, and we can see it kind of tapered off of that zone, but we are roughly in this consolidation area of anywhere from $2.34 to roughly $2.78. And I'm hoping we beat that to get to the $2.90, and more importantly, we get back up to the $3. That is what's going to drive some good movement. Now, let's look at some of these key market stats. One, the market cap right now is sitting at 145.15 billion. And what's even nicer is the 24-hour trading volume is sitting at $11.18 billion. It is down a bit from the last couple days, but that's okay. The home market's been on the low, so that's normal. Circulating supply of the token itself is there's about 57.7 billion XRP circulating, and the highest price in the last 24 hours was roughly $2.74. where the lowest price is roughly about $2.48. Now, recent market shifts that we saw, you guys, XRP recorded an intraday low yesterday of about $1.77 on Monday, February 3rd. And this was on Binance, making it a 9-week low. Now, this dip did trigger the largest single day liquidations in XRP history, and this is according to CoinGlass data. Now, total liquidations were about $103 million, with bulls losing about $74.7 million in liquidations and bears losing $28.28 million of liquidations. Now, even with this recent pump, XRP is still much smaller than Bitcoin. Right? And this Bitcoin right now is sitting at a $2 trillion market cap. But with its real world utility, can XRP start maybe closing some of that gap? Because 145 bill to 2 trillion is a huge difference. Now, let's think about why is XRP pumping, right? Like what is causing this? Okay, so one, it's the fastest payment provider from what we understand. XRP powers Ripple. And Ripple's their blockchain-backed system that allows near instant international money transfers. Compared to like Swift, which takes a whole day, Ripple's transactions take seconds. And that's the power of crypto, you guys. Another thing is we're seeing a lot of governments shift to be pro-crypto. Now, the US government's a great example, and they're shifting towards a crypto-friendly policies. Now, this is boosting my confidence, the general market's confidence, and bringing in a lot of retail investors in blockchain-based projects like XRP. And then we have their lawsuit is almost over from the SEC. XRP has been fighting a legal battle with the SEC since, you guys, 2020. Right, that is 5 years, but recent victories have pushed prices up as all of us are anticipating a final resolution very soon. Now, the question is, should you forget Bitcoin for XRP? Now, look, Bitcoin does remain to be the largest crypto and a key part of all of the institutional portfolios. And if the government starts stockpiling Bitcoin as a reserve asset, it guarantee will push the price even higher. Now, XRP, on the other hand, is more about transactions and payments, right? And if banks start adapting Ripple, it could massively boost XRP's long-term value, and that will actually be a utility use. So now, better question is, why not just both, right? Instead of choosing one, just hold both Bitcoin and XRP, and this will give you exposure to the store of value of BTC and then the real-world transactions capability of XRP. Now, the question is, what do we think is next for XRP? Right now, as XRP continues to climb, it is gaining recognition from global regulators and hopefully expanding its adoption efforts. Now, two major catalysts that we should all be watching for. One is a potential grayscale XRP ETF, which will bring big institutional investments, right? And then two, we've got CME XRP futures, right? That would actually introduce XRP into the traditional finance market, and that will bring a lot of institutional money in. Now, however, XRP's regulatory status still remains uncertain in many regions, so we need to keep mind of that. Another thing to know, you guys, on January 27th, Hong Kong Security and Futures Commission, they call it the SFC, they granted two new crypto licenses for trading to Panther Trade and Yax. But here's the thing, XRP was not included among the approved currencies. So that's something to think about. Only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, and Chainlink were approved for trading. XRP still does seem to be restricted in Hong Kong, despite the remaining world adapting it a lot better. Now, this does raise questions for all of us about XRP's regulatory standing in many jurisdictions. Now, the question is, will more countries embrace XRP, or will regulations continue to limit its adoption, right? That's so damn important for us to think about, and we're going to keep watching that and see if there's any other stats. Another thing I do want to bring up, if you're nervous to buy bags, what you could also do is use BTCC and actually trade it. Like right now, we're actually in a little short here. We can see I ended up leveraging 50x only, so not a big leverage. Our margin's only $500 on this position, and we shorted BTC just because of a good trend line we noticed with RSI. Now, XRP can let you do the same thing. What's cool about it is you guys, you can leverage it up to 500x. There is the link below in the description. If you use that to sign up, they'll give you a $10,000 deposit bonus you qualify for. So I definitely recommend you use that to your advantage, especially for trading and trying to find a good platform. I'll leave the link below. I'll leave it as the first one. And then the next question for all of us, will XRP keep climbing, or will Bitcoin remain the king? I think Bitcoin's always going to be the king, but the question is how much of that gap can XRP close to catch up to Bitcoin? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And thank you so much for subscribing and being a part of the channel. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Peace out, everybody.